तुम्हें उस समय उसके मुंह पर बोल देना चाहिए था। You should have said to his face at the same time. You should have said to his face at the same time. वो हमेशा मुझे मनाता था। He always used to pursue me. He always used to pursue me. इसकी शिकायत करना ठीक नहीं है। It is no good complaining to him. It is no good complaining to him. सुनो सबकी और करो मन की। Listen to everyone but follow no one. Listen to everyone but follow no one. क्या आपको किसी चीज की जरूरत है? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? काला नहीं सफेद ही तुम पर अच्छा लगता है। Not only black but also white looks good on you. Not only black but also white looks good on you. अपने बाल बना लो। Comb your hair. Comb your hair. इतना भी क्या गुस्सा करना? Why be so angry? Why be so angry? मैं नहीं गया। I didn't go. I didn't go. उसकी तो लॉटरी लग गई। He won the lottery. He won the lottery. तुम हमेशा जिद क्यों करते हो? Why do you always insist? Why do you always insist? वो यहीं कहीं होगी। She must be around. She must be around. उसकी तो किस्मत चमक गई। His luck shone. His luck shone. ये कौन करता है? Who does it? Who does it? तुम हमेशा यही करते हो। This is what you always do. This is what you always do. मैंने अपने आप के साथ ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? तुम्हारा फोन भी स्विच ऑफ है। Your phone is switched off as well. Your phone is switched off as well. अपना दरवाज़ा खोलो और मुझे अंदर ले लो। Open your door and take me inside. Open your door and take me inside. रहने दो मैं संभाल लूँगी। Let it be, I'll manage. Let it be, I'll manage. तुम मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा जलते हो। You are so jealous of me. You are so jealous of me. उससे मिले हुए मुझे कई साल हो गए। It's been many years since I met him. It's been many years since I met him. मैं उसकी शादी में शामिल नहीं हो सका। I couldn't attend her wedding. I could not attend her wedding. बड़ा आया मुझे समझाने वाला। First learn yourself then teach others. First learn yourself then teach others. मुझे पसंद है जिस तरह से तुम बोलते हो। I like the way you talk. I like the way you talk. ये क्या बदतमीजी है? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? क्या आपके होश ठिकाने पर हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मैं क्यों जाऊं? Why do I go? Why do I go? तुम ईमानदारी के साथ जीते हो। You live with honesty. You live with honesty. वो अब गरीब नहीं रहा। He is no longer poor. He is no longer poor. लड़की को लड़का पसंद है। The girl likes the boy. The girl likes the boy. लड़के को लड़की पसंद है। The boy likes the girl. The boy likes the girl. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. धूप में बाहर मत जाओ। Don't go out in the sun. Don't go out in the sun. मैंने ये पार्सल आपके लिए भेजा है। I have sent this parcel for you. I have sent this parcel for you. भगवान सबकी सुनते हैं। God listens to everyone. God listens to everyone. वो उतनी दयालु नहीं है जितने उसके पिताजी हैं। शी इज नॉट अ काइंड एज हर फादर। शी इज नॉट एज काइंड एज हर फादर। शी इज नॉट एज काइंड एज हर फादर। तुम्हें तमीज नहीं है? डोंट यू हैव मैनर्स? डोंट यू हैव मैनर्स? वो तो वहां जाएगा ही। He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there.